morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We continue hearing from the book of the prophet Amos in the first reading. And Amos, as I said, is one of the prophets that we are going to hear in the next 8 weeks. And in this first reading, Amasaiah, the priest at Bethel, said to Amos, "Go somewhere else. Evaporate." Siguro, in our present present time, it means like, I don't want to see your face. Go somewhere else. Ayaw ko makita ang mukha mo. And what was the sin of Amos that Amasaiah hated him so much? Amos prophesied. Amos said what God wanted him to say. Amos did the right thing. Yun ang kasalanan niya. Ginawa niya ang gustong gawin, ipagawa ng Diyos. I think that is the first message of the first reading to all of us. It will not always be accepted when we do the right thing. Kapag nagpapakabait ka, kapag ginagawa mo yung tama, kapag nagpapakatino ka, hindi ka gumagaya sa ibang tao na nagnanakaw, naninira, gumagawa na masama, be ready. Be ready to be rejected. Okay? I hope that is already clear to many of us. When we do the right thing, not all people will clap their hands in approval. Siguro naman naranasan nyo na rin yan. Sa opisina, ginagawa mo ang tama, pero sinisiraan ka pa. Sa parokya, ginagawa mo yung dapat na gawin, pero kinaiinggitan ka. It happens everywhere. Amos experienced that because he did the right thing. So, katulad din ni Jesus, hindi naman siya nakinig sa mga taong ayaw sa kanya. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang. Pero itutuloy ko pa rin ang dapat kong gawin. I think that should be a principle that everyone should follow. People may not like the right thing that we do. People may not like what we are doing because this is God's will. But we have to continue doing what is right. The second point of the first reading is this: God can choose even the humble person to be His instrument. Nagpaliwanag si Amos. Sabi niya, bakit ba galit na galit ka sa akin? Sabi niya kay Amasaiah, I was no prophet, nor have I belonged to a company of prophets. I was a shepherd and a dresser of sycamores. Bakit pa galit na galit ka? Ginagawa ko lang naman ang tama. At hindi ko naman ginusto to. Hindi ko naman ginusto to. Simple lang nga ang buhay ko Tahimik nga ang buhay ko Isa lamang akong pastol. Nag-aalaga ng mga puno ng sikamoro. Pero sinabihan ako ng Diyos, ito ang gawin mo, Amos. Inuutusan kita. Sumunod ako. And that is a very good reminder to us. Amos, even reluctantly, followed God's will. He allowed God to work through him. He allowed God to make him an instrument. Sana ganun din po tayo na paggagamit sa Diyos. Wala namang masamang magpagamit no? Wala namang masamang magpagamit. Si Amos, ginamit siya ng Diyos. Walang masamang magpagamit. Depende lang kung sinong gumagamit sa iyo. Yung mga nagrarally kung saan-saan, alam natin na gagamit lang sila. Wala namang masamang magpagamit. Ang tanong lang ay, sino ang hinahayaan nating gumamit sa atin? Si Amos, hinayaan niyang Diyos na gamitin siya. Kanino tayo nagpapagamit? Ang Diyos ba ang gumagamit sa atin o may ibang taong ginagamit lang tayo? My dear brothers and sisters, there are two things that we ask for today. That first, we may do the right thing no matter what, no matter how difficult. And secondly, let us allow God to use us today. Amen.